Hi mga kamitsu! Ako ulit ang inyong ahente, Gerald Luzano guys ng Picabad Santos. Guys, pinakikilala ko sa inyo ang ating 2027 Triton GLX na 2.4 diesel engine na 2-wheel drive manual transmission. Guys, quick review lang tayo sa ating engine used na 2.4 liters 4-cylinder turbo charged diesel na 4 ends at max torque na 181 horsepower, 3,500 RPM. Guys, equipped na rin ang ating Triton ng cruise control, and then meron siyang single zone automatic climate control, and then we have 18 inches touchscreen display, and then ang ating steering wheel is may audio control, and then naka power outlet, power window with power steering. Naka-keyless entry na rin siya guys, and then ang ating warranty is 3 years. Ang wheelbase ng ating Triton is 3,130 mm. Ang kanyang ground clearance ay 228 mm. Guys, ang kanyang gulong naman is 16 inches alloy wheel. And then, ang kanyang fuel capacity guys is 75 liters. Ito pa ang kagandahan ng ating Mitsubishi Triton GLX manual transmission. Meron siyang payload capacity na 985 kilo. Guys, equipped na rin ang ating Mitsubishi Triton ng safety security tulad ng driver airbag, front passenger airbag, at meron din siyang knee airbag. And then, meron siyang auto brake system, electronic brake distribution, and then ang anti-lock braking system or ABS with electronic brake force distribution and brake assist. Magandahan pa nito guys, meron siyang immobilizer stability control, and then meron din siyang electronic door lock system, and then meron din siyang ISOFIX. Ayan ang kagandahan ng ating Mitsubishi Triton na equipped ng mga safety features. Kaya guys, i-message mo na kagad ako dito sa ating number. Okay, thank you guys.